Hey guys, welcome to this week's vlog. Today we are headed off to town. I haven't done this in a while, so I thought we would go. We're going to California, so I thought I need to pick up a couple of maybe pairs of shorts. And I found these really cute dresses at Walmart that I bought 2 of them. And I wore one yesterday and it was like, oh my gosh, this is so comfortable. So I'm gonna go see if they have any more that I like. It seemed like they had vertical stripes on the other ones, which we're not gonna go there. But anyways, we're gonna go there. I have to get a couple things from there for my husband. And then I think we're gonna go to Target too. And maybe to TJ Maxx. Probably not to TJ Maxx if I can find something at Walmart or Target, just because I don't really want to go shopping that much. I've got to come home and make another video for while I'm gone. Hopefully I'll get enough up. If not, we may miss a week or 2 while I'm gone, because my laptop, I have a hard drive attached to it, and there's a problem. It worked forever, and then I think it upgraded to Sierra or to something new. I don't even know what's on it now. But when it did, all of a sudden now I get disk not ejected properly all the time. And so I can't edit videos on it. I can still use my laptop, but I can't, it won't save. That's what I have. I think I might be able to change it to where it saves it back to the actual hard drive in the computer, but that always filled up so fast, and I'd be halfway through something and I'd go to save it and be like, there's no room. So that's why I bought the backup, the 2 terabytes, so that I had plenty of room on there. And I've completely emptied it. I've completely cleaned it. I've tried everything to make it work again, and I think it's in the actual Mac system, not in the hard drive. And so there's nothing I can do about it. As far as I know, I've done my research, wasted a lot of time doing research on Google to try and find out. So many people have this problem, and my laptop is kind of old. I think it's a 2014 or something, right before they changed to the USB 2s or whatever. Because mine doesn't have that 2-prong port in it. So I just have to use a regular USB, and it worked fine for a long time. It was great. Once I got that and I hooked it on with Velcro, it was great. And then one of those updates, I know it was one of those updates that did it, but it doesn't seem like Apple's addressing it, because things I was reading were 3 years old, and I didn't find any update that fixed it. So anyway, I don't know if I'll be able to make videos in California. So I'm going to try and get them all scheduled, pre-filmed and scheduled before I go. But if I don't, then I might miss a week, and then we'll start right back up when I get home. So anyways, we're off to town. So I'll check back in when we get there. Okay, guys. I didn't show you guys in the store, so I'm going to show you now all the stuff I got. I only went to Walmart because I got so much stuff at Walmart that I thought, you know what, I don't need to go anywhere else. So I'm going to show you what I got at Walmart. I'm not going to try it all on because I just don't have time. But I'm just going to show it to you. This is the dress that I said I already had 2 of them. And I bought this one. This is another one. I know you can't see it, but it's just right here. I can wear a regular bra. It might show a little bit, but I would just wear a black one. The thing is, when I put this on, and I did try this on, horizontal stripes, I don't think so. It was just like too much. I am trying so hard not to focus on my size, my weight, my appearance. I mean, I want to look nice, but I'm trying not to be so totally focused, which I am. But it's like, life is too short. You need to just move on. You are what you are. You're old, so you get a little heavier. But then I come home and I try them on, and it's like, so sad. So sad. So anyways, I'm taking this one back because of the stripes. I wondered about that when I bought it, though, so it's no big deal. But I also got it in another color. But this one's too small. They didn't have my size. So I got it in the size down, And if I would lose weight, but you know how many times I bought clothes that are just a little bit tight and thinking, you know what, I'm going to be losing weight, so I'm just going to keep it. I'm not doing that anymore. If it doesn't fit, it's going back. And then when I get smaller, I'll buy some new clothes, which is what I always do anyways. So, anyways, that one's going to go back too. The green one, I liked the color, but they didn't have it in a large, which is what I am right now. And the medium, it just showed too many lumps and bumps. So, this one I thought was super cute, but it was an extra large, and it was the only one they had, extra large and small. And see, it has a little knot, oops, at the bottom. I was going to do this over there with the bookshelf behind me. It got all dark and rainy all of a sudden, so I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do it over here where my lights are already all set up. So anyways, this one is too big. So I have to take this back too. And then I got a pair of shorts to go with it, but I really don't like them once I put them on. They fit, but I don't know. They just weren't very flattering. What can I say? So I'm taking them back too. But anyway, I did get a pair of jean shorts, which I don't know why I got them, because I always wear bike shorts, always, because I need that little pocket on the side to put my phone in, and they're just so comfortable. My daughter sent me a picture the other day, a Snapchat. She was at some store buying a pair of jeans, and she was asking me if I liked those jeans, which of course I didn't see the snap until hours later. So I responded to her and said, did you get them? Because I just now saw this. And she said, yes, she did. But I'm like, I only wear leggings. I don't wear jeans anymore. And she goes, I only wear leggings too. But it seems to be the new thing, because they were not skinny jeans. They were more of a big, not a bell bottom, but you know, it was like whatever the last style was before skinny jeans came in, it's back. I didn't know that until I saw those, and I'm like, why are you getting those? And she's like, that seems to be the new style. Skinny jeans are out. I'm like, okay, well, I don't wear jeans anymore anyways. All I wear is leggings. And she's like, all I wear is leggings too. But this balances out. She said it balances out because she has bigger shoulders and skinny little calves. So having the flare legs, that's what they are, balances her out. And I thought, well, that's good. So I also got one pair of biker shorts, which I will keep. And I got a black bra that I will keep. But pretty much everything else is going back. I'd actually already put this in the car. Actually, I am taking back the bike shorts, but it's because they're a little bit too big. I'm going to get the next size down. And then this t-shirt, it's just a boring t-shirt that, you know, it's a little v-neck t-shirt, but it's going back too because I got it to go with these shorts, because I thought these shorts were so cute, and I got way too big a size. But see, and then this with them, I thought that would be so cute. These are ginormous. And so when I put them on, I'm like, no, we don't like those. So that's it. That's everything I got at Walmart. Well, I got a rotisserie chicken and some olive and some ZzzQuil. My husband wanted ZzzQuil. And bell peppers. That's my new thing that I always want to eat. Bell peppers. Just cut them up and clean them out. And then I use them. I dip them in cream cheese. The onion cream cheese. Chive. I think it's chive. So good. But I have to stop because obviously that's not good for me. And so, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm still doing the pineapple thing. But I think as soon as I run out of pineapples, which I got more pineapples, so I won't run out before I go to California. I'm still hoping it's going to work. That then I think I'm going to go, I think I told you guys already, I was going to try and go carnivore, where I just eat meat. And that's my plan. Because nothing's working. Mostly because I don't stick to anything. It's like, I got to find something that works and that I can live with. Because that's, I'm sure, why nothing's working is because I crave other stuff. I don't crave sugar and like bread and stuff like that. That's not my problem. I don't know. I like bell peppers and I like meat. So you'd think I could do that. I am still fasting though. I fast from anywhere from 3 to 7, or if I'm starving, I eat at 2, but then I stop at like 5:30. So I still get a good window in there. But I guess I eat too much in that 3.5 hours, whatever I eat, because I'm not losing any weight. I think I'm just stressing over it too much. Because, last night I had acid reflux. Have you guys ever had that? This is the second time ever that I've had it. And oh my gosh, I could live the rest of my life and never have to go through that again. That was so bad. And it only happens like once. It just comes up and then I choke for hours and hours after that one time. And it happened, I would say the first time it happened was probably within the last 6 months. I don't remember what I ate, but I remember thinking, I'm never eating that again. And now I can't even remember what it was. So how can I not eat it again? But I know what I ate last night. I was eating meat sticks and those little cheese snacks. Meat sticks are the beef sticks you get at Walmart. They're like beef jerky. And I ate a couple of those and a couple of those little cubes of cheese. And then I don't really think it's what I ate though. I think it's because I was doing a puzzle and I was like, after I ate it, I was kind of crunched up. I don't know. I really don't know. But I don't want to ever do it again because it was horrible. And I thought last night after I had that I would never eat again. I thought after that experience, I should never want to eat again. But guess what? The next day, today, I still want to eat. I don't want that to happen again, but I still want to eat. Nothing can cure me from that, I don't think. So I don't know what to do. And I want to exercise, but I'm really scared to exercise, that my hip is going to flare up. And I don't want that to happen, at least not before I go to California and come home. Because I don't want to be suffering on the flight. I mean, sitting in a plane is hard enough without having pain going on. So I'm a little leery to start exercising before I get back from California. But I think when I get back, I'm just going to take a lot of ibuprofen and muscle through and start exercising again. I don't know what else to do. So anyways, right now my hips are pretty good. I mean, if I sit for too long, they still, when I first stand up, I got to work them out and then they're okay. But I think that Modier stuff, that liquid collagen, and then my resonant light, and the pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is supposed to be really good for your joints, so who knows? But I feel better. I just want to stay that way. And I'm sure losing weight would make a huge difference too. So why don't I stop eating? I don't know. Anyways, I don't know what else I'm going to add to this video, but I will be back when I come up with more stuff. Okay guys, we are off to town again. Today, I've got my bag full of clothes to take back to Walmart. And then we are headed to Target to see if we can do better. So, and also, I don't know if I told you guys I was afraid to exercise. I don't know when I said that, which video, but hopefully you'll have seen it. Anyways, I said I was afraid to exercise because I was afraid my hip would, hurt again. And today I exercised and I feel great because I did. I'll find out tomorrow, I guess, if my hip hurts, but right now I feel good and I'm gonna go see if I can find some clothes that are a little more flattering than yesterday to take to California with me. So I will check back in, probably not in store because I get really flustered in the store. So but I'll show you when I get home what I got. So I'll be back. my size in those. So I got this little shirt, and that was at Walmart. And then I took everything else back from Walmart. And I got this shirt, which was clearance, and it's the brand Knox Rose. I've gotten dresses before in this, and I really like this designer. Anyways, this is the shirt. It's just got a little ruffly sleeve to it, and it's kind of orange and white, and I thought this would look cute with the bike shorts. So I got this, and then of course I had to get another black dress. This one I am not sure about because it was like over by the exercise stuff, which it's a dress, come on. So anyways, it's got this back, and then it's got like a built-in cup, and it's very spandexy, but it's got pockets. I love it. I don't know if I'll be able to pull it off, but you know what? Maybe we'll lose some weight before we go. And it's a large, so I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, that's all I got. So I don't know if we're gonna go again this week because I really got stuff at home I need to do, like make more videos so that I have enough to go up when I'm gone. I also have to get my hair done, I think, on the 10th. I don't know if that's, I don't know what today is. Is today the 8th or the 9th? I probably should look that up, huh? Anyways, I have to get my hair done one day, and that pretty much kind of takes my whole day. But maybe that day, after I get my hair done, before we go home, we'll go to TJ Maxx and see if I can find anything there. But I'm pretty sure I'm just going to be a bike short t-shirt kind of girl for this trip. And then I'm going to be super skinny by the time I go again. I've decided. So, anyways, I'm going to end this video now because unless we go to TJ Maxx, and then I'll cut this part out and add that in. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.